Of course, I'm better than them. And when you are good, don't hide it. Because if you are bad, you also can't hide it. And I've always dealt with all these characters with facts and figures. And there are people that I have met with in some cases, had interactions with, had encounters with. I've had a general experience about how they ran this country to the ground. So when I'm speaking with facts, and that is something that they can't stand about me. You would notice that each time I talk about Malami, he can't respond to me. If I talk about Peter Obi, he can't respond to me. When I talk about El-Rufai, he will never respond. When I talk about even Alex Oti, he will never respond because I know them in their individual capacity. And when I challenge them, they know that I'm challenging with facts, and they then hide behind all kinds of people and places to respond. Let them be man enough when I accuse you of something. Come and say that Sowore lied. When I talk about Oti, that I went to Abia and what I saw was mediocrity. The problem is that a lot of people who have never seen proper standards of governance, you can't blame them. People who have never seen roads made, not only with just a highway being made, that there will be a portion for vehicles, for bicycles, and there will be a portion for people who want to walk. If you have never been on that kind of a road, you will be excited with a road that is done and halfway the road ends. I remember when I went to the UK, to the London School of Economics, to go and confront Fashola when they were praising Fashola as the best governor in the world. I told him, I said, parts of Lagos is deodorized. The other part of Lagos is ghettoized. They said, no, Fashola is the best. He built Lagos. And nobody has ever, today, who can say that again? Fashola got upset. This was London. The video is on YouTube. Said, I don't even read Sahara report. I said, how's that my business? So, this is what we must all accept, that there must be a general standard for performance. And anybody who cannot live up to that performance should not be praised as a performer or a special governor. And don't come to me ever and say that a governor who is paying salaries is doing you a favor. So you don't want the people who are working to get paid? Or a governor who campaigned that he will build schools, is building schools, you want me to clap for him? Or a governor who is paying pensions. Is he not paying himself pensions? Some of the governors have already even allocated to themselves pensions for life, pensions for their children. And you are here saying, like Seun Kuti said yesterday, I have something very interesting about what he said. A lot of these people who are supporting mediocrity are choosing fear over freedom. They are afraid to choose freedom, so they give in to fear. The fear that even the little they are getting might disappear. You can't blame them. But I choose freedom, and I'm a freedom fighter, including for those who are ignorant. We must make sure that we give them the best education possible. So that's my position.
Okay, last week,
so how would you describe the recent alliance of Mr. Peter and Kwankwaso toward the 2027 election?
So how many alliances can you build in 2 years? Since 2023. 2022 you were a Labour Party. After 2023, you were one leg in Labour Party, one leg nowhere. By 2024, you had joined what they call the ADC. And this is 2026. You have now moved to Kwankwasia, you understand, without the cap. So, how are you, sir?
Yes.
This is, we're having a press conference, sir.
This is a courtroom, sir.
It is.
Yes.
It's a court of justice. Yes. We are discussing justice here.
No, not in the courtroom, sir.
No, you can't tell
That's
us.
matter.
No, if the judge comes back, that's fine. But while we are in court, as a participant in the court process, we can discuss the issue of justice in the press.
It's done outside.
It's done.
The courtroom must be respected.
It is respect for the courtroom to discuss what is happening in the court.
Doing it outside.
No, there's no law
outside
that.
the courtroom.
There's no rule that says.
No,
there's no
this
rule.
place is a chamber of justice.
It is.
It's meant.
And it's not meant for lawyers alone.
You are as a party.
Yes.
Consider.
No. I'm not the party.
Press conference in the court of law.
No, I am here.
Explain to me. I've never. I've practiced.
Yes.
For close to 3 decades. I've never seen it in the courtroom.
Yes.
You don't do that in the courtroom.
Well, sir,
it's not a press center, sir.
You are a lawyer, huh?
Not only a lawyer, I'm senior advocate.
Senior advocate of the masses. I am.
Yeah, when I'm a senior advocate of the
senior advocate of the masses. Advocate of the masses.
So, gentlemen of the press, please, this is Arno Chambers. The court of justice is better you hold this thing outside the courtroom.
Sir, you cannot tell us.
Please let us respect our law.
You cannot tell.
You can hold your conference.
Sir, you cannot tell me as a citizen of Nigeria, and somebody was brought before this court, that I cannot address the media while I'm waiting for the judge to come out of his chambers.
Do that outside the courtroom.
No.
Respect the courtroom.
You are waiting for the judge.
Is there any law in Nigeria that stops
I cannot talk in the courtroom while waiting for the judge.
The law that established this court says provide what must be done inside this court. Press conference. The Federal High Court Act.
What does it say?
And the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which established 251, which established court, says the court must serve as a venue of justice, not press conference.
No, so press conference is not justice.
So are you
wait. It's press conference or me discussing what affects my well-being and welfare. Huh? Is not justice.
Then university lecturers will bring their students here to come and teach.
Why not?
In the courtroom.
Don't you have students?
The market woman will bring their goods here to come and sell.
They sell things in this courtroom.
Inside the courtroom.
Yes.
I've never witnessed it.
Maybe you want to buy something. I can show you where to buy kuli in this courtroom.
In this courtroom.
Yes.
Please show it to me.
No, if you give me money, I'll go and buy it for you.
No, in the courtroom. Somebody is selling kuli.
Sir, I just think you are overdoing it. You are waiting for the judge, just as I'm waiting for the judge. I'm not interfering with your process.
Nigeria is controlled.
You can't ask the registrar to control us. The registrar knows what we are waiting for. If you give me my document now, if you give me my document, we are done with you. We have told you, give us our document, we'll be waiting for here. No, you can't use the judiciary. You can't use the judiciary to scare everybody.
It's not the first time we've had several people have press conferences in the court. So
yes.
My question to you,
what is wrong with discussing what exactly is our
because I will know it's a very controversial especially as it concerns the law today.
Respect the dignity of the court.
The judge is not sitting, so I'm surprised that you are worried about this.
Respect the dignity of the court, whether the judge is sitting or not.
Are you implying that the press conference disrespects the court?
Inside the courtroom, it
does.
Are
you implying?
It does.
How, sir?
It does.
Is that a law that you can quote for us?
I'll give you to act. Go and check it. Go and read it.
He's also doing the same thing right now.
Yes, you're addressing the press.
I'm not saying. I'm telling you to go out. You can't tell us to go out. Go out. Go out.
You cannot force us out of a courtroom where we are waiting for. You can't. You cannot force me out. SN, you can't force me out. You can't force me out. You can't. Yes. You can't force me. Go out. You can't force me not to discuss my case in this. Yes.
Very insulting.
You are insulting our intelligence by telling us that we cannot discuss our issue in the courtroom while we are waiting for a judge.
Went as far as ordering the pressmen to get out of the court.
But you are the ones who sit in court when DSS will stop you at the gate. The DSS will stop you at the gate. You can't say anything to the when the DSS takes over the federal high court. Have you ever spoken about it?
When they took over the gate,
when the DSS comes here and take over the
did they block you not to enter?
Oh, they don't block you because you are privileged. They blocked me to come attend to my case. And you have never said a word when the DSS takes over your federal high court gate. But you want to come and intimidate Sowore? You are intimidating me. You are even insulting my intelligence because you are introducing yourself to me as a son. So what? I have sons too that defend me, and they know that when I come to court, I discuss my matter. I'm waiting for the judge, just like you are waiting for the judge. You are telling me you are ordering me out. I'm not in your living room, sir. We are in a courtroom. Even if we don't have a case here, we have a right to sit down in the gallery.
Are you sitting down in the gallery now?
Yes, we are waiting for
This
your
is the gallery.
This is the gallery of the justice. But in this case, I'm accused and I'm waiting for the judge.
And this is the doc.
Can we know
Yes.
your name, please?
Tell somebody to have you ordering somebody to come in your living room.
You are insulting the constitution of the country. Please go out.
Which constitution? Which constitution?
Go out.
Are you
Which
so
constitution?
intolerant of freedom of press and freedom of expression? Senior advocate, please can we know your
Yes.
name?
It's an abuse.
Yes.
Can we know your name?
You are abusing us. We have challenged you. Why have you two gone to the DSS who take over the gate of the court
Press would love
to
to know your
leave?
name. We would love to document this and perhaps add it to the picture.